We'll guide you through how to cut and trim a video in CapCut. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are in CapCut, and so you want to go and cut and trim a video. This is really convenient to do because you can then go and remove parts of the video that you don't want. So make sure it's full video and you can go and learn how this can be done. Don't skip anything as you may go and miss an important part. So if you've already got a project, you can open it up. Otherwise, you can press new video on the edit page. You can go and select it in the top right and press add. Now you've gone and added it in. So first of all, you can go and tap on it in your timeline. You'll see these handles appear at the start and at the end, and you can go and tap and hold them and go and drag them like so to adjust the start and end point. What you can do is you can also go and remove parts in the middle as well and go and cut them out. So make sure you're going to have it selected and choose the point of where you want to go and start cutting, and you press split. That'll make a split, as you can see, and it will separate it into its own clip. You can then go and choose when you want to make another and press it again at the bottom left. And as you can see, we then just have this clip here, and that's the part I want to go and cut out and remove. So with it selected, you can then press delete at the bottom, and that's it. We've now gone and cut it out and we've trimmed it. If you found this useful, then leave a like.